Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a fun craft. To make this craft we need a box, some cardboard, a paper, a pencil, markers, and a cutter. We're going to start by drawing a bunny on the paper. The bunny's going to be holding a carrot. When we're done drawing the bunny, we're going to outline it with our markers. After we're done drawing the bunny, we're going to glue it onto some cardboard and then cut it out. Now we're going to get a piece of cardboard and we're going to draw carrots on it. You can draw as many carrots as you want to, as long as you've got them in pairs. After you draw them, you're going to color them, and you're going to color 2 of each color. So 2 orange, 2 purple, 2 blue, 2 pink, and 2 yellow. You can use whatever color you're working on. Next, we're going to get a box and we're going to mark it so that it's the same size as the carrots. After we're done, we're going to use a cutter and we're going to cut out the holes. This is where we're going to place our carrots. We're going to place the carrots at random in the slots that we cut out. Now that we're done, it's time to play the game. You're going to have your little one pick a carrot and then another one and try to match them. Now they're going to have to use their memory to remember which carrots are the same. I hope your little one enjoys this game.